Hey everyone, this is Sinclair Hill coming back at you. Brief update, I finally got my Renick Performance side skirts on. I ran across a lot of things I had to do yesterday, so I couldn't give you the install because I had a honey to-do list. And when the queen calls, the king answers. So I couldn't really do a full out video. So here's the final product. It's on the car. It looks nice. Self-tapping screws right up underneath. And the way you do this is how much lip you want to come out. You could have a couple inches out. You could have 3 or 4 inches out. It all depends on how you want it to look. But it's not about the looks. It's about functionality. I'm waiting on the front splitter to come in. That will go underneath the factory front splitter, and it will push down and push on the sides, because it has a little winglet on the side that will channel the air over top of that splitter and up back to the rear. Because in high speeds, if anybody know aerodynamics, the faster you go, the more air is going to come underneath the bottom of the car, and it has a tendency to disturb the car. So a side splitter is not just for show. It helps channel a lot of the air from going underneath of the vehicle that will create some type of turbulence and upset the car. So I highly recommend, if anybody's going with an aero kit, please do the complete aero kit. Do the front splitter, side skirts, and if you want to do a nice diffuser or a nice spoiler or a low wing, go with that. I only recommend this if you're tracking the car, because you get more out of the car when you're taking it to its limits. If you're everyday driving and you just want to look good, well, that's your thing. It's not mine. Everything I add to this car will be for my track days and track use. Nothing on here is for show. It's all for functionality of my track days. So there you go. That's the Renick Performance. All 100% aluminum side skirts. I'm waiting for the splitter to come in, and I might be doing the rear diffuser. Oh, and by the way, here is my new plate. Just put it on yesterday. I love it. So all you guys and girls that see this car in Philadelphia or the surrounding areas, and you come up on my bumper, I'm not going to race you in the street. The plate speaks for itself. I've done that, been there. It's not worth it. I have too much to lose. I have a family that loves me. I have children and grandchildren that loves me. So I'm saving it for the track. Put it on the track, take out insurance, and have a good time. So anybody that's in the tri-state area, that lives in New Jersey, Philadelphia, surrounding areas, June the 9th and June the 10th, I will be at New Jersey Motorsport Park having a good time. So if you ain't doing nothing that weekend of the 9th and 10th, come on down to New Jersey Motorsport Park. We'll be on the Thunderbolt track that day, and we'll be getting it in, laying down the rubber. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what I can add. Leave your comments, what you'd like to see in the future.